Dermaplaning YEOUTH Neck Cream 01 Microdermabrasion Roller. The Ordinary Skin Care Lip Plumper Device. Glycolic Acid Wunder Products. Retional Crepe Neck Cream. Non-Surgical Face Lift Plump Skin Plumping Cream. Microneedling Roller. Dermaroller 10 Cream 01 Prescription Strength Topical Retinoid Microdermabrasion at Home Microneedling Pen Retinol Cream Anti-Wrinkle Serum formulated professionally with medical grade ingredients. YEOUTH 2.5% Retinol Serum for face will last for 1 month of continued use. Unit size 1 oz Perfect Wrinkle Cream and Best Retinol Serum. Anti-aging cream for women and men. Reveal a brighter, more supple complexion or your money back. Retinol, Vitamin A, Retin A Derivative, Retinoid proven ingredient in its anti-aging abilities. Boosts collagen production and minimizes pores, improves elasticity and helps to mitigate acne. Retinol Wrinkle Serum helps to fade age spots, sunspots and discolorations on face. Use at night. This retinol cream works. Hyaluronic acid, naturally occurring moisturizer compound in our skin which decreases as we age. Preserves the elasticity and the firmness of the skin with its moisture retention properties, plumping the skin to even out wrinkles, giving skin a softer feel, and more youthful appearance. A wonderful firming serum for face. Aloe Vera and pure vitamin E added to soothe the skin through daily treatment. This dynamic ingredient is rich in vitamin C, E, and Beta Carotene, which makes it a fantastic addition for anti-aging purposes. Vitamin E will help to increase the skin's defense to harmful UV rays. 100% satisfaction guarantee. All YEOUTH products manufactured in an FDA-registered facility using natural, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients. If you are not completely satisfied with your retinol night cream, return for a full refund. Buy now. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.